Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is a really great found sample. It's a folded self-mailer from Delta Airlines and American Express. It's for their Delta Sky Miles credit card program, and I love this carrier format. It's got a great tip-in that's a keepsake, and I think this format could apply to so many other verticals, so I thought you guys would love it. This is, as I said, this is a self-mailer. So here's the mailing panel back here. I like that they've got an offer back here, especially because USPS informed delivery emails and things like that. That's the scan side, so something to think about. But anyway, it has a short panel on the cover. This is totally glued down for meeting mailing requirements. There's a custom die cut on it. So it's the shape of the edge of the credit card. It's got an angle there, kind of fun to open. I like this long horizontal and imagery. And of course they're using, custom imagery as well based on who's getting it and special offers and things. So there's some technology going into this. And then it opens up like this. So you get this nice long layout with the offer, but then inside there's a tipped in waterfall booklet right here. Okay, I'm going to peel it off for everybody. It's just got some light tack fugitive glue. So there's more offers here, but I'm going to set this part down because the super cool part is also here. So this is the little waterfall booklet. Now, something interesting here. This is a 10-pager, which, is usually not something that we can create for booklets, but they're using a technique called pasting, which is often used in long-run direct mail, and it's a gluing strategy. So you can add pages and have kind of unique counts. So think of it this way. This has a cover and a back cover. So this is the longest panel. This is the shortest because this is the front of the waterfall. Then there's another 4-pager here, and this one is a little longer and shorter here, and we've got stepped edges. And then you can see here there's a little bit of glue. So the glue attaches this 4-pager here, and then this 2-pager is also attached with some glue right here. And so basically that's the method to adhere these pages together. So there's no stitching. Pretty cool how this works, and I love the stepped organized content. And I can see this in so many verticals: healthcare, higher ed, not-for-profits. I could see it in lots of different ways, and so I thought everybody would really like this kind of simple carrier with the tipped-in waterfall booklet. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Trifold self-mailer with tipped-in waterfall booklet. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dialogues, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.